This is the NEET 2017 question. The question goes like this. A rope is wound around a hollow cylinder of mass 3 kg, 40 cm radius. What is the angular acceleration of the cylinder if the rope is pulled with a force of 30 Newton? Let us try to understand what he is saying, what he is giving for you, right? There is a hollow cylinder. Cylinder is like this. And a rope is wound around it like this. It is pulled down with a force of 30 Newton. Radius of the cylinder is given as 40 centimeters or 0.4 meter. Mass of the given cylinder is 3 kg. Be careful that it is a hollow cylinder. See, when you pull it down, a torque is developed automatically. The cylinder rotates about the given axis. Then the torque developed. We have a basic definition of the formula. Torque is force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. We also know in rotatory motion torque equal to I alpha. You are now asked to find out alpha. Torque is force is 30 Newton. Perpendicular distance acting about the axis is nothing but radius 0.4 meters equal to I. I of hollow cylinder. You shall know this formula. We can derive this. Only mr square. If it is a solid cylinder, it is mr square by 2. But for a hollow cylinder, mr square. So what is m3? R square is 0.4 square, that is I. Alpha you are asked to find out. 0.4 will cancel. 3 is of 10 times. So 10 equal to 0.4 into alpha. Alpha equal to 10 by 0.4. That is 10 by 4 by 10. That is 100 by 4. That is 25 radian per second square. Right? That's the answer for the problem. Be careful, it is angular acceleration, right? So it will have radian per meter square, not meter per second square. See, the person is careful in giving both the answers as 25, but the units are different. Meter per second square is a linear acceleration, but being an angular acceleration, it shall have a unit of radian per meter square. So your answer shall be radian per meter square, not meter per second square. That's how we solve the problem. So the most important aspect of this problem is torque I alpha equal to force into perpendicular distance. Once if you understand that basics, solving the problem is a cakewalk, easy to solve. You also need to know that moment of inertia of a hollow cylinder is mr square, whereas for a solid cylinder it becomes mr square by 2, which is not the case of the problem. It was given like a hollow cylinder. That's how we solve the problem. This is a NEET 2017 question. Thank you for watching.